In this video, we'll show you how to replace the water filter in your Sharp French 3-door counter depth refrigerator. The water filter in your Sharp refrigerator should be replaced every 6 months, or if there is a noticeable reduction in water pressure when using the dispenser. The filter replacement icon will blink when replacement is recommended. These can be purchased from shop.sharpusa.com. You can also order replacement filters by calling 1-800-BE-SHARP. Once you have your Sharp SJWF250 water filter, remove it from its packaging and remove the plastic cap. The water filter is located in a water filter cover in the upper left corner of your refrigerator. Press the marks on both sides of the filter cover and open it downward to unlock it. With the cover open, carefully rotate the water filter counterclockwise to unlock it. The filter should automatically release itself once you've rotated the water filter far enough. Some water may drip down while removing. Take your new water filter and line up the ports on the filter with the ones in the filter cartridge holder and insert. Rotate the water filter clockwise until it can't be rotated anymore. Do not over-tighten. Once your new water filter is locked in place, wipe any excess water on the cover before closing. Close the filter cover by pushing upwards until the tabs lock. Now that your water filter is replaced, on the control panel, press and hold down Freeze Boost for 3 seconds to reset the counter. The filter icon should disappear once it is reset. Finally, use a large pitcher or a similar container to dispense water into. Dispense 2.5 gallons of water to remove trapped air and contaminants from the system. Flush for approximately 5 minutes. Do not dispense the entire 2.5-gallon amount continuously. Depress and release the dispenser pad until 2.5 gallons has been dispensed. Now you can enjoy water dispensed from your Sharp refrigerator.